Social media offers unparalleled reach, allowing you to connect with a global audience instantly. It provides a platform to build personal relationships and trust, which are fundamental in network marketing. By leveraging social media, you can share valuable content, showcase success stories, and demonstrate the benefits of your products or services. Additionally, social media algorithms help target and reach potential customers who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. This significantly increases the efficiency of your marketing efforts. Overall, social media is a powerful tool that can amplify your network marketing success. To maximize your network marketing efforts, it's crucial to choose the right social media platforms that align with your target audience. Start by researching where your potential customers spend their time online. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram are great for reaching a broad audience, while LinkedIn is ideal for professional networking. YouTube can help you engage through video content. Each platform has unique features and demographics, so tailor your strategy to match these characteristics. By focusing on the platforms that your audience uses most, you'll enhance your engagement rates and increase the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. Building a strong personal brand is essential for network marketing success. Start by defining your unique value proposition. What sets you apart from others? Consistency is key, so ensure that your messaging, visuals, and tone are uniform across all platforms. Authenticity is just as important. Be genuine and transparent in your interactions to build trust. Share your story, expertise, and experiences to create a relatable and credible persona. Engage regularly with your audience to maintain relationships and keep your brand top of mind. By establishing a consistent and authentic personal brand, you strengthen your reputation and foster long term loyalty. Developing a robust content strategy is key to engaging your audience and fostering strong relationships. Start by understanding your audience's needs and preferences. Create a mix of content types, blogs, videos, infographics, and live sessions to keep things interesting. Ensure your content is valuable, relevant, and solves problems your audience faces. Consistency in posting schedules helps build anticipation and trust. Actively encourage interaction through comments, shares, and likes to boost engagement. Monitor feedback and adapt your strategy accordingly to maintain relevance. By investing in a well rounded content strategy, you can build stronger connections and drive long term success. Measuring success in network marketing involves tracking key metrics to understand your performance. Identify which metrics matter most, such as engagement rates, follower growth, conversion rates, and customer retention. Use analytics tools provided by social media platforms to gather data. Regularly review these metrics to pinpoint what's working and what isn't. Based on your findings, adapt your strategies accordingly to improve results. Testing new approaches and staying flexible can lead to innovative solutions. Continuous monitoring and adjustments ensure that you remain relevant and effective in your marketing efforts, ultimately driving better results and sustainable growth.